In today's video, I'll show you how to make thank you cards using Canva. Whether you're thanking a friend, a colleague, or a family member, a personalized card makes your gratitude extra special. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar at the top of Canva's homepage. Type in thank you card and hit enter. Canva will display hundreds of ready-made templates to choose from. Take your time to scroll through the options. You'll find styles ranging from elegant and minimal to colorful and fun. Pick the one that resonates most with your message. Click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. This is where you can make it your own. Update the default text with your own thank you message. You can keep it simple with just thank you, or write something more personal. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your style. If the background color doesn't fit your vibe, click on it and choose a new shade. Canva makes it easy to experiment until you find what works best. Want to make it extra special? Add icons, shapes, or small graphics from Canva's Elements library. A few subtle details can make your card stand out. Once you're happy with your design, click the Share button in the top right. Choose Download to save it as a printable PDF or PNG, or send it digitally to someone right from Canva. And that's it. You've just created a personalized thank you card in Canva. A small gesture like this goes a long way in showing appreciation. Thanks for watching and happy designing.